All right, everybody, let's jump right in. So, I'm going to show you here now how to find a profitable product to sell on Amazon using merchant words. So, step one, what I want you guys to do right now or after this video, or you can do it as you follow along, type in "and" into our search bar. And what our "and" search is, it's kind of a hack. Some people know how to do it, some people don't. What it does is brings up every single keyword that we have pulled back from Amazon's as the Amazon buyer has typed it into Amazon. So from in order of rank. So the number one most searched keyword, and all the way down to the lowest searched. And I think right now it's Bluetooth headphones. So number one would be Bluetooth headphones, and then all the way down to whatever. I'm not sure at the moment. So that's basically what our "and" search is. And now from that "and" search, it's a big haystack, the haystack that we call Amazon now, and you're trying to find that needle in the haystack, and you're trying to find that gem. So what you want to do is step two, you want to refine. So refining is going to be your friend here. What you want to do is go to our filters here. I selected home and kitchen. That's a pretty good category to sell in. And depth, I chose 5 to 30. And what depth is, if you guys don't know, is it's kind of a gauge of competition. So how quickly does the search term show up in the Amazon search bar as the buyer is typing it in? So in this case, this number represents the amount of characters. So that the buyer types until it auto-completes in the Amazon search bar. So when you get to U, this is the 8th letter in Marble Tumbler. Marble Tumbler will autocomplete at the very top of the Amazon search bar as you're typing it. So that's what that is. I refine down by search volume, 13,333 and below. Now, you guys could use your own number. I wouldn't go too much higher than 50,000. It always depends on what categories you're searching in. You can even go down as low as 5,000 if you like, but I just chose this right now because I like the number. So, and now what you want to do is continue to refine down some more. This would be step number 3, maybe part of step number 2 a little bit, but you can exclude keywords that you don't want to show up. So, for example, if you're typing down, this haystack of keywords, you want to get a keyword out of there that you don't want for some reason, you can do this. So I'm gonna get rid of gifts. So what you want to do is type in the minus sign and the keyword you want to get rid of, click the search bar, and then this will be gone. And now you're refining down even more here. So there you see it's gone. Your next step here is now you're just going to go down your rabbit hole here. This is drilling down, going down a rabbit hole, and just trying to find a niche or a certain keyword market that looks interesting or weird. That's what you're looking for here. So I did this search earlier, about 10 minutes ago, and I found a really weird keyword that that I thought was pretty interesting. And I will get to it here in 2 seconds. All right, so organic balloons. Never heard of organic balloons. That was super interesting to me. So your next step now is going to be, step 5 would be to click into our keyword history analysis panel. And that's what this icon here is with the bar graph. So now what you're looking at here is what you're looking at all the metrics surrounding this keyword market, the keyword market of organic balloons. It looks pretty good at a glance right now. So I did another video on this keyword history analysis panel, but I'll go over briefly what I look at, what I like to look at immediately. So one of the first metrics I like to look at is page 1 reviews. So this is telling me how many products on page 1 of search for organic balloons has over 1,000 reviews. It's one listing here. Now, I like to see 0 usually, but organic balloons is a very weird keyword phrase, so I'm going to dig into it a little bit further. Now, this is another metric I look at immediately, is how many products have under 100 reviews on page 1 of search for organic balloons, and that's 37. This is amazing. 15 or more is really good, but 37 is insane. So that's really, really good. You can see that it's definitely on an uptrend here over the past 13 months and 3 months, it's spiking up pretty high there. So now what you want to do is see, what is this? So you want to do, instead of doing a search directly on Amazon, you can go to our page one search tool. And that's what you do is click on that red box there within the keyword history analysis panel. Now, what this page is bringing up all of the products that are showing up for on page one of search within Amazon. So this is basically, if you typed in organic balloons on Amazon right now, this is exactly what would be popping up. And this is organically ranked from position 1 all the way down to 48. So I had no idea what organic balloons are. Now I'm looking at all these products, looking a little bit closer, and I'm seeing that these are, balloon garland kits. Very, very interesting. Never heard of it. And it might be a viable product. Everything's looking really, really good right now. Now, I wanted to see also what was that product that was over 1,000 reviews. Well, here it is right here. You can see that immediately. And it is this, it's not relevant at all to a balloon garland market. It's kind of, but you wouldn't be competing against this product. It's to blow up some balloons or something like that. So now what you want to do is search, go back to our classic search, and you want to search a main keyword within that market. So it was, let's go with balloon garland. I did that earlier. I told you I searched it. Want to clear all of the filters. Go ahead and click search. There we go. And this is really, really good news. So this balloon garland kit that was didn't have much competition at all, has a very good search volume, monthly search volume. Almost 100,000 people are searching for balloon garland kit every single month. And another thing is, now you want to make sure you have a bunch of different keywords that the buyer can use to lead them back to your product. And this is showing you that there are. So people are typing, these are exact searches from Amazon buyers. So they're using balloon garland kit, balloon garland, DIY balloon garland. There's many keywords here that you can use to rank for, add into your PPC campaigns, into your listings. So this is a good sign as well. So now what you want to do is click our keyword history analysis panel again on that main seed keyword, or on that main keyword for that product, and view the metrics from there. So this is insane. This is amazing. So you can see that this thing has shot up over about the last 3 months. And you have many other keywords here that you can use. These are related keywords. We get these with one of our proprietary algorithms using natural language processing. So you have many ways to lead the buyer back to your product here. I mean, this right now, if someone were to jump into this market right now, and if they knew that what they were doing with PPC campaigns and how to optimize their listing fully, they could make some good money here. And just jumping back to the page one of search, in other words, this is what Amazon will pull up. So a lot of these have the race to the bottom on price has not happened. $32, another $32, $19. It's really good. Average price showing is about $18. Still, you want to do the math, see how much it's going to cost to get landed into Amazon. But yeah, this is definitely a viable product that I just found 10 minutes ago that you can sell on Amazon right now. But still look into it, do some more due diligence. But these are the main steps that you need to take. You always just need to make sure that you're always drilling down and finding those weird keyword phrases, those which are going to lead you into these weird niches. So I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe, comment below, ask me some questions, and until next time, this is Tommy signing off from Merchant Works. Love you guys. Be awesome and make it happen. All right.